Kia and Aarya's village visit. Kia and Aarya are very excited today. They are going to visit their grandparents in their village. They are happily packing their bags. Kia packs a brown shawl that she has bought for her grandfather as a gift. And Aarya puts the new glasses for his grandmother that his father has bought for her. Mom and Dad have told them stories about the village, but now they will see it with their own eyes. While traveling by train, they see many green fields through the windows. They enjoy seeing ducks and swans in the pond and feeling the fresh air. When they arrive, their grandparents welcome them with cozy hugs and kisses. Out of excitement, both the kids take out the gifts that they have bought for their grandparents and hand them over to them. Grandma and Grandpa feel so happy and proud. They give them their blessings. In the evening, they all go out for a walk. The air is so fresh and clean. They hear the birds singing. They see many mango and orange trees. There is greenery all over, and they all see farmers working very hard in their fields. They are growing crops. Grandma explains to them that this is how we get our food served on our tables. Hence, we should always respect our farmers, who work really hard to feed us well. Both the kids feel proud and grateful to the farmers. They also see many ladies drawing water from the well and filling their pots and buckets. They carry these pots on their heads and walk miles to take them to their homes. Kia and Aarya feel so blessed that they just have to turn on their taps and faucets to get fresh and clean water instantly. They also realize how precious the water is, and not everyone gets it so easily. So they must learn to save it and use it wisely. Next morning, they help Grandpa milk the cow. They find it funny and a bit tricky. Grandma shows them how to plant a small tree. They dig the soil, place the sapling, and water it. The village doesn't have big supermarkets or malls. Instead, there are small shops and a market where people sell fresh vegetables, fruits, and handmade things. Unlike noisy cities, this place is calm and quite peaceful. The night sky is full of shining stars. Everything is so beautiful and relaxing. It's time to go back. Both Kia and Aarya hug their grandparents. They say goodbye and sit on the train. On their way back home, Kia says, "I have learned many new things in the village, and I have also realized how important it is for us to save our nature and keep our surroundings clean and green." They feel happy and thankful for the wonderful experience and the important lessons that they have learned in the village. Moral: so kids, I hope you enjoyed this visit with Kia and Aarya, and you have also learned that we must save our nature and the precious products of nature. Also, we must respect our farmers and be thankful to them for the food they give us. So kids, plant more and more trees and nurture nature the way it nurtures us.